Hey guys, today we're talking about the 5 highest paying jobs that don't require you to take a 4-year college degree. Now just a bit of a disclaimer, some of these do need some sort of qualifications or experience involved. However, there are also some that you can really just hop into. Now keep in mind, this is only my opinion and it doesn't mean that there are no other jobs that are great. There are plenty of jobs that you don't need a college degree that pay tons of money. Now it seems that everyone believes that you go to school, you go to college for 4 years, you have student debt and you get a job. But that isn't the only option. You can get high paying jobs just after finishing high school. Now of course there's nothing wrong with going to college, and if you do have something in your mind, a clear pathway of what you want to be, and it requires a college degree, that is a great way to take your life and you should follow that. However, all I've made this video for is for those of you that aren't going to go to college and you do want some options that will pay you well. So now the first job I want to talk about is being an electrician. Now straight away, the income for that is about $50,000 to $60,000 annually in American dollars. However, that isn't what you'll get your first year most likely. This is due to because that will be your first year apprentice electrician, and you aren't going to realistically make that sort of money unless you own an electrician business. So to get this job, you need to complete technical school, and you can take technical school while you're still in high school, so this can potentially be an option if you're younger and you still want to finish school. In my opinion, $50,000 to $60,000 every year is pretty good, and that is more than sustainable for most. So now the second job I want to talk about is being a sales representative. Now this does depend a lot on what's in demand and the economic state. So now what a sales representative does is they go to other different businesses and other organizations and they do business to business sales. You will sell supplies, goods and services all towards businesses and organizations. Now this career only requires you to finish high school, and it has a median annual salary of $58,000 US, which once again I think is more than sustainable for most people. Now this is an incredibly fair wage considering you only need to finish high school to get this job. Now this third job is a bit more strange than the other two, and you may not have actually heard of this, but it's almost like it's obvious. It is something which we obviously know we need, but it isn't talked about, and this is being an elevator repairman. So being an elevator repairman or repairwoman means that you go and fix elevators, quite obviously. But the reason that this is in demand is because, like I said, not many people know about this and do this. And you need someone qualified to do this, because when you are trusting someone with hundreds of thousands of dollars of machinery and technology, you don't want it to go to the janitor or your common handyman. You need someone that is qualified and they know what they're doing, so they don't damage your property of hundreds of thousands of dollars, and so they don't hurt themselves. Now if you decide to work as an elevator repair person, you can expect to make $70,000 plus per year. However, that may not be your first year, as are the rest, because the first year you're obviously an apprentice and you don't have that much experience, you're still going to need to work. Now to get this job, usually you can just go to elevator repair companies and businesses and you can simply just be an apprentice, and from there you can work your way up. You don't need any qualification or degree. So now the fourth job is being a distributions manager. Now this is an industry that's expected to grow and can pay you a lot of money. Now being a storage and distribution manager means that you need to organize logistics and different arrival of merchandise and products in the timeliest and cheapest manner possible. Now this has a median annual salary of $95,000 per year. Now the qualifications you need is only high school education. However, disclaimer is you do need 5 years of experience in a similar field. However, if you want a very long-term option and this has sparked your curiosity, this is definitely a good option to look into. And if you think about it, 5 years experience isn't actually that bad, considering most jobs that you need a college degree will pay you very similarly. And you will have those 5 years where you are working in a different field, so you're still going to be making money. So like I said, it's 5 years experience, college would be 4 years of work unpaid. In fact, you go into debt from going to college. So this is a very good option to look into. So now the last career path I'd like to go into, which is one I'm quite interested in and I might look into myself, which is being a real estate agent. Now being a real estate agent does not require any sort of degree. You simply just need a real estate license or a realtor license. Usually to get this, it's quite cheap to take just a course and pass a few exams in order to get your license. Now this does differ from state to state how you get into this industry. However, it is a very well paying industry in every country and state. Now, being a real estate agent is not easy by any means. However, it's very driven by yourself. If you want to make a lot of money, you've got the potential to make heaps of money. Obviously, if you don't know what you're doing and you're not trying and you're not meant for the job, you might not make a lot. However, there is lots of money to be made. If you're charismatic and you're extroverted, this is a great opportunity for you, especially if you're interested in real estate. And this can pay you hundreds of thousands a year. Now, although this can make you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, this does have an average salary of $50,000 a year. But like I said, your success is very much driven by you. If you want to make more, you can try harder, you can look into things, and you can learn. And if you do that, you can make lots of money. So there you have it, guys. Those are the 5 highest paying careers that don't require a college degree. I hope this video has educated you, and if it has, make sure you smash that like button. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and see more. Now just quickly, if you're interested, click here because this video was chosen exactly for you. This is self-tailored to what you're interested in, so make sure you click there. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.